Hello, good morning everyone. Here in this today's lecture we are going to discuss about the F.Y.B.Sc chapter number 2nd, that is chromatographic technique. In this chromatographic technique we have already discussed about the types of chromatography and on the basis of their stationary and mobile phase. Here in this today's lecture we are going to discuss about how that binary mixture will separate by using the distillation assembly. The binary mixtures having the different types we are discuss one by one. First of all, the binary mixture. Binary mixture is nothing but the mixture of two chemical compounds. They are having different nature. That is, the one compound is solid, then another compound is liquid one. That is the solid liquid type of the binary mixture. If we have to change the nature of the chemical compounds, taking a two chemical compounds, that is both nature of chemical compound is liquid, that type of the binary mixture is called as the liquid type of the binary mixtures. If we have to taking a another nature type of the binary mixture, that is solid, one mixture is solid, one compound is solid and another one compound is a solid, also solid, then this type of the binary mixture is called as the solid type of the binary mixtures. We have already discussed in the class, that is the how to separate solid liquid type of the binary mixture and solid type of the binary mixture. Here in this lecture we are going to discuss about how to separate the liquid type of the binary mixture. Liquid type of binary mixture. First of all, both liquids are different chemical nature, different chemical compositions. Having that different chemical compositions, their physical properties also different. All of you know that the different physical properties, that is the melting point, boiling point, their density, and some other physical quantities. Here, on the basis of their boiling points, we have to separate that both liquids into individual liquids. That is the on the basis of boiling point of this individual liquid compounds, we have to separate this two liquid or the binary mixture into its individual compounds. So you have to using the instrument, that instrument name is a distillation assembly. We have to I will write a diagram here, the distillation assembly. You can see here. First of all, in this distillation assembly, the RB is nothing but round bottom flask. Here in this round bottom flask, we have to take a two liquid component or the two liquid or the binary mixture of the two different liquid components. After that, we have attached this RB with Hickman head. After the attachment of Hickman head, we have to attach here the water condenser. This is the water condenser and this continuous flow of water is here. Here is the presence of water and this is known as the water condenser. This is the Hickman head. This is the RB and this is the binary mixture, and the nature of that binary mixture is liquid type. So we will see here the mechanism of that distillation assembly. First of all, we have to taking here the RB and then heat this RB. After heating, there is the we will see here there is the difference between the boiling points. If that chemical compounds, we have to taking here A compounds and B compound. So A compounds having boiling point is near about 50 degrees Celsius and B compound boiling point is near about 70 degrees Celsius. So here we will provide the heat for the RB. Then first of all the A compounds will evaporate or boil and evaporate these A compounds, that goes into that vapors goes into the Hickman head. After the Hickman head, that vapors goes into the water condenser. But this continuous flow of cool water, so it will be the cool these water vapors or that compound A vapors, and then it will be the converted into the droplets. Against that droplets will flow into that of the Hickman head. These droplets will flow into the Hickman head and collect A compounds into the Hickman head. This is the collected A compound. That A compounds, it is also liquid in nature, and B compound, it is also liquid in nature. This collect A compounds into the Hickman head, and remaining B compounds, that boiling point of the B compound is higher, so it will be remains present into the round bottom flask. So as these mechanisms, we have to separate both liquid type of the binary mixtures. This is the overall process how to separate that liquid type of the binary mixtures, and this is the simple assembly or simple instrument that are used for the separation of liquid compounds. Again I will repeat this concept, that is the distillation assembly. This is the RB, it is nothing but the round bottom flask. Here contains the both liquid compounds, that liquid A and liquid B. After providing some heats, that vapors of A compounds, because A compounds having a lower boiling point as compared to B points, so that vapors will evaporate and goes to Hickman head. After Hickman head goes to the water condenser, and this water condenser having continuous flow of cool water. So these vapors will in contact with cool water, they against convert into the droplets, and these droplets will uh, droplets will collected into the Hickman head, and this is the compound A will separated by the Hickman head, and the remaining compounds B, that is the boiling point is 70 degrees Celsius, so it is higher as compared to A, so it will be remains present in the B compounds. At this process or this mechanism, we will separate the liquid type of the binary mixture. So thanks for watching.